Hello everyone. In this project for my Physics 102 General Physics 2 course at Bilkent University, I investigated how capacitance depends on plate area, distance between plates, and the dielectric material placed between them. I used two little plates made of aluminum, two large plates made of aluminum, a multimeter, a ruler, a plate made of glass, and a sheet of paper for this experiment. Firstly, I measured the area of the small plates. After that, I observed the differences in capacitance values at three different distances of 2, 2.5, and 3 centimeters. After measuring the area of the large plate, I recorded the capacitance value at the same distances for the large plate. In the second part of the experiment, I measured the effect of the dielectric coefficients of the materials on the capacitance value. After setting the distance as 2 centimeters, I first recorded the capacitance value for paper. Then I recorded the capacitance value I obtained for glass. I wrote the values I obtained in the table. Thank you for watching.